My name is JaquiGee and I'm a Tai Chi instructor. I was a ballet dancer, not fond of competition, loved mime and sign language, so somehow it put me into the slow movement of silence in Tai Chi. And I started in Wales with a famous teacher who studied with Chen Manching, whose form we use, the Yang family. We do more for health and healing and balance and meditation, although I will show you the movements of the Tai Chi movements and martial art movements together. Our classes are sweet, fun, serious, repetition, over and over and over. There are principles in Tai Chi that help you understand why you're doing this step, how to do this step, a bit of physiology and anatomy. We start enjoying each other, and there's it's going to be a little awkward at first, and everybody's going to feel klutzy, and stuff comes up. You'll think, oh, not good enough, all the words that we use daily, and it's not allowed. We have fun, we make mistakes, we change, we grow, we learn, we understand, we have aha moments, and then it's very rich art. I've been doing it for 40 years and I'm still learning and still discovering. I hope you join me at Prideful Wellness for some wonderful new work together. Thank you.